from cups to bigger pots. Will they even make the season? Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Sunday to you all. It is Sunday the 21st of June 2026 and it is day 126 of the Chilli Grow Up. It's 22 degrees, full sun, just perfect. Plants are doing great, drying out nicely. So I thought today I've got a couple of plants that are really progressing in there, just in the small plastic cups. So let's get them in the bigger pots. Bigger than the regular big pots, but smaller than the grow bags, just to see what happens for experimental purposes. Will they even make it? Will they carry on producing? Will they grow instead? Let's find out. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend so far. Me and Lucy enjoying the sun, aren't we? Yeah. Let's do this. Let's get into day 126. Fried egg. So we have 2 Cayennes. Now these were the Cayenne seeds from the overwinter Cayenne from last season. The only plant I grew, and it grew well, and the seeds, fantastic. Let me show you this one first. Lots going on. Nice tall stem. I've removed the bottom leaves as usual for airflow and keep it pest free and bug free, disease free. So here we've got a big root hanging out the bottom here, so I thought let's get that one sorted. Now this one, same Cayenne as well. Lots of roots going on, looking lovely. Cup out the bottom, but look at this. I'm going to slowly move the camera, super tall. But do you see? See there? You see all the plants, especially as we get towards the top. There we go, it's a better angle. All of this, I thought were shoots. They are actually the flower buds, which is just blowing my mind because 1, there's so many, and 2, it's just in the cup and not too terribly root filled on the bottom. But as you can, as you see, it's plenty of flowers coming. So that means in plenty of chilies. So I've got a couple of pots. They're very different to our usual pots. They're just your standard, I'd say 1 gallon, 1.5 gallon pots. Might be a little bit bigger, might be a little bit smaller. There we go, flowers there as well. So yeah, let's get them into bigger pots just to see what happens. Now I would have usually have just plucked these flowers off me, let them grow, let it grow. I think it's beyond that now, so whilst it's producing all of these soon to be lovely cayenne peppers, which, I mean, look at all that, it's gonna be loads. So if it's going to do that, let's at least up pot it so it can get a bit bigger and branch out a little bit more, and we'll just see what happens. This is going to be experimental purposes. We've obviously got our bigger cayennes in the 5 gallon grow bags, but let's get these changed over right away, back out into the sun, and we'll see what happens with these 2 cayennes. So we have a pot here, a little different than the usual ones that we've got outside, and smaller than the grow bag, but relatively big. So I've put the cayenne pepper in the middle there. It's still in its cup, but let's take it out, remove the cup, have a look at the roots, and we'll get it transplanted inside. Little squeeze. Very nice. Let's get him in there. I did break the roots up just a little bit on the bottom, just to maybe entice it to grow a little bit more. But there we go, a bit of soil from the edges, bring it in, pat him down, make sure it's good and secure, and there we go. Little squeeze. Fantastic. Really strong system there. Goes, push them down. Fantastic. There you go. Both are done. Ready to go back outside into the sun. There we go. The two there, right in the sun. I did give them out a little bit of water, just because the soil was completely dry that they went into. But there we go. Everything's looking good, looking fine, enjoying the sun. Quite the forest now, isn't it? That wraps up day 126. I want to thank you all for joining us. It means the world to Lucy and I. Thank you. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend and a great Sunday. I hope you've got a great week lined up, doing everything you love and enjoy. You take care of yourselves. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Thanks again, everybody. Take care, and we will see you tomorrow for 127. Take care. See you Monday. Thank you. Bye-bye.